How to fix the thread stuck in device driver error. Method 1. Update the device driver using the device manager. Open the Windows Start menu and click the power button. Hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press the 5 or F5 key to boot your PC into safe mode with networking. Your PC will boot into safe mode with networking. Right-click the Windows Start button and click Device Manager. Go through the devices list and look for devices that have a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark. This symbol indicates an issue with the device. Right-click the device and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will automatically install the best driver available on your computer. Alternatively, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Browse and select a driver downloaded from the vendor's website, or select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a compatible driver from the drivers list and click Next. Click Close after installing the driver and restart your PC. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 2. Uninstall GPU or audio drivers with Display Driver Uninstaller and install new drivers. Open the Windows Start menu and click the power button. Hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press the 5 or F5 key to boot your PC into safe mode with networking. Your PC will boot into safe mode with networking. Once your PC boots up, open your browser and go to the Display Driver Uninstaller website. Click Display Driver Uninstaller. Scroll down and click on the Click Here for Download and Support. Scroll down and click Download DDU Installer. Run the installer once it's downloaded. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Install. Click Finish. Once DDU is installed, open the Select Device Type menu and select GPU. You can also do the same for your audio drivers. Open the Select Device menu below and select your chipset manufacturer. Click Clean and Restart. Your PC will restart automatically after removing the driver. After the restart, open your browser and go to your GPU chipset manufacturer's website. Select your GPU series and model. Select the driver for your operating system and click Download. Install the driver once it's downloaded. Method 3. Run the deployment image in Servicing Management and System File Checker scans. Open the Windows Start menu and click the Power button. Hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press the 5 or F5 key to boot your PC into safe mode with networking. Your PC will boot into safe mode with networking. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type CMD in Run and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt, type in dism/online/cleanupimage/scan health and press Enter. Type in dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. Then, type in sfc/scan now and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Method 4. Perform a system restore. Open the Windows Start menu and click the Power button. Hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options. Select System Restore. Click Next in the System Restore window. Select a restore point before your PC started crashing and getting the error and click Next. Click Finish. Click Yes to confirm. Click Restart once the system restore is complete. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.